guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company, and I love this wig so much because it is lightweight. It does not feel like I have anything on my head, I'm telling you. Okay, it is an all-day glueless Yaki texture 7x6 lace closure wig, period. So meaning you can wear it all day, you won't get headaches. Okay, for now let's get straight into today's video so that you can see the construction of the wig and then go get it, because you need this wig. You definitely need this wig. I love it.
I could blame it on the physical, I could blame it on your lips, you touch, you kiss.
So guys, I quickly wanted to show you what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. They sent me all these nice goodies. The first one is this wig cap, branded Luvme hair storage bag, a branded Luvme hair clipper, and an edge brush. So guys, first of all, I'm just holding this wig now. It is so lightweight, it's not even funny. It is super lightweight, yet it is so full. Look at this. This is Yaki. This is Yaki straight. It is all day comfortable. I'm so excited. So let me just calm down and show you all the details. Okay, so first of all, this is Yaki. You see the texture? It's Yaki texture. So basically guys, this is our natural hair relaxed. Okay, the texture is exactly like that. Look at this. So this wig has this adjustable belt. It is a 7x6 lace closure. This wig has smart clips right here. And as y'all can see, these are called smart clips, which means if you have a small head, this wig is gonna fit you. If you have a medium head, this wig is gonna fit you. If you have, you know, just a little bit of a cute big head, this wig is going to fit you. Okay, so let me show you guys how I'm going to, because I have a small head, so I'm going to just clip it right there and see. Very comfortable. Now that we are still here discussing the comfortability of this wig, look at this. This is how the ear part looks. It is C-shaped, so meaning it is going to be very comfortable. It's not gonna hurt your ears. So, and then also on the other side, that's how it looks as well. C-shaped. See, it is nice and stretchy. One thing about this wig, it is so stretchy and lightweight. I cannot believe how light it is, and look how full it is, but it's so light. Okay, so this is how stretchy it is. Okay, look at that. I am so excited to be showing you guys this wig. And look at this hairline. This hairline is 10 out of 10 guys. Look at this. Yo. Straight out of the box. Guys, you know, I want to mention something. Ne? It's as if I'm not wearing anything on my head, number one. Secondly, the smart clips. This wig is sitting comfortably on my head, so I'm not going to be having headaches. And now I just feel like, you know, there's support, man. Like I feel, guys, let me show you again. I don't think you guys understand. Look at this. Comfortably. And the fact that this wig is nice and full. I do not understand how Love Me Hair did this. I really do not understand. Wow. Yo. This wig has layers, guys. Let me show you. This wig has layers. This wig has layers.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming closer. It's been a hell of a ride, but every single moment you were there by my side. Whenever I'm wrong, you make me feel low. Whenever I'm alone, you're there for my soul.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram at curlymemes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous Yaki wig from Love Me Hair Company. Until next time, bye guys.